Good morning, good morning. We have two remote started trucks here today. I'm about to go to Auto Illusions and drop my truck off so they can fix the imbalance of the tire. Wife is gonna have to follow me in the Raptor. I know it's kind of boring intro, but here we go. We just hit 47,000 miles, by the way. While we're doing 60 miles an hour here, almost. It's right when I get up to 60. It's so hard to capture an imbalance on video, but there's a shakiness in the steering wheel and also in my seat. Oh yeah, now it's really shaking. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, it's shaking. All right, so it's been dropped off here at Auto Illusions. Once again, get this damn balance issue handled. Raptor has zero problems with the BF Goodrich KO2s. But I do. All right, so we're back in the floating ship here. It's such a difference riding in the Raptor versus riding in my truck. Although that issue will soon be taken care of. But I thought I'd do a little update here. Some of you guys probably remember the video where I did on the Auto Stop Eliminator, where I installed this. Very quick and easy install. As we all know, if I can do it, anyone can. But anyhow, we haven't touched this button since I did that. It's working just fine. You love it as well, right, babe? Because you're the one who hates it the most. Well, you can at least reply. I'm not gonna put that in the video.
Like I'm not even in here.
What do you mean pretend? I'm not driving. I'm sitting in the passenger seat. Like, jeez. Maybe I will put that in the video. That's kind of funny because that's real life conversations between you and I.
I don't care. I don't.
You're not here. My wife doesn't want to be on video because she just like got out of the shower and like that's when she's the most.
And that's when he insists on putting me on camera all the time.
No, that's when you're the most beautiful.
When I'm the
because
hittest.
you're naturally gorgeous. I don't care. The hittest. But anyhow.
Stop! I hate you.
Oh, good Lord.
I'm gonna kill you! I mean it. You're editing
All right.
that.
I'm not editing.
Yes,
it.
you are.
No, that's funny. All right, so back to. But anyhow. But anyhow, that's just a quick update on the Auto Stop Eliminator, and I wanted to let everyone know that when I did the install, it was only available for F150s. Now the company's actually expanded its lineup for models of Fords. So it's the Escape, the Fusion, all the other cars that actually have auto start stop. So if you're interested in eliminating that feature once and for all, they are also about to update the different brands of cars, such as Chevys and Dodges, that have this annoying feature. Good thing about it is, I mean, you can have it turned off permanently if that's what you want, but if you for some reason want to start using it again, all you have to do is push the button and the original cycle starts again, where, you know, auto start stop will turn on. So check out the link in the description if you're interested. Auto Stop Eliminator. Use promo code AutoVlog for 10% off.
I never got used to it. If I was thinking, like if I stopped and I was at a stop sign and it would stop, I would go, and start it back again because I would think the car was stalling out.
Yeah.
Or when I would, if it was off and I continued to let it, you know, stay off.
Yeah.
The minute I would start to pull out, especially on a hill.
Yeah.
You know, like over by the hospital.
Uh-huh.
It would feel like it took, even if it was like a nanosecond, I would still feel like, you know, like it was gonna stall or it just wasn't gassing quick enough.
Right.
It just was like it made me anxious. I didn't like the way it made, I just felt anxious with it.
Right.
Hated it. You did too. You were
I've always hated it.
time.
I hate it in my Benz too. But you know, there's no solution for my Benz yet. But if you guys are interested to see in the install video, I linked it up here. I'll also link it down in the description if you're interested.
Yeah, that's what
What's going on this car right here?
I was surprised whenever you said their wheels. I mean, I feel like it'd probably be covered or something.
Yeah, I mean, they're forged wheels, so they're supposed to be stupid light.
Yeah, I saw when I saw the box, I thought that wheels.
Yeah.
And I picked one up. And,
Yeah. Do you need me to sign anything?
no, it doesn't ask for.
All right, cool. Thanks, dude.
All right, thanks.
Here we have them, ladies and gentlemen, the new wheels for the AMG. Man, I'm excited. I walked up to the guy in the FedEx truck and this has to be wheels for me. And he's like, yeah, I guess so, but they're so light. I didn't think they were wheels. He thought they were wheel covers. Awesome. I put them back there, got them back out, try to get them in the AMG. Obviously don't fit because I need to get them over to AutoVlog because my new tires for these new wheels have arrived as well. A lot of wheel and tire content the past like 7 days. And of course I want to show you guys, but that's gonna have to be for a separate video. Completely dedicated to the AMG, of course, and I guess a little bit more about the future of the AMG. What I can say is that they are of course the same size as the Veloz D7s that are currently on the car. Now these will in fact be for sale. And the thing is, they only fit a C63 coupe. It does not fit a C63 sedan because of the offset of the wheels and also the width of the wheels. These are 20 by 11s in the rear and 20 by 10s up front. So it's 265 30 20, 295 30 20 in the rear. For a sedan C63, I think, I'm 99% sure that you can only fit 10.5s in the rear. So if you have an AMG C63 coupe and you're interested in these wheels, definitely hit me up, send me a message on Facebook or Instagram. Beautiful weather, by the way. It's like 55 degrees outside. I'm walking around in a t-shirt and it's January 8th. Absolutely nuts. I mean, I'm not complaining whatsoever. There she is. Out on the lawn, honey, please. All right. What's she doing? Oh man, that sucks.
You're deleting it. You're deleting it.
Oh, it sucks. I missed it. I turned the camera off right when you stuck your head out and started yelling at me. She's so mad that I was filming while she was backing up. It's a nice parking job, babe. It doesn't matter how bad you park. I love you anyway.
Yeah, you're filming and the pulls up next to me. What the back in? I mean, it's like if I'm given the time, I can do it. It's like, God.
I know.
And not filming.
I know. Okay, just calm down. Alright, so welcome back to yet another day, and we're back at AutoVlog here. I know it's been a lot of hopping back and forth in this video, but it's been a whirlwind of stuff happening. So here is the truck. We still have the BF Goodrich KO2s on there, but the new turn of events is that we're actually sending those tires back, and I'm getting a brand new set of tires that are not BF Goodrich KO2s that will be on the truck hopefully today. Otherwise it will be tomorrow. And then I'll come here and I'll actually drop the AMG off, which is right over there, because the new wheels and tires for the AMG are going to be mounted as well. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little update here on the truck. These tires will not be on the truck anymore because they did another dynamic balance on them and they still hot. So something's wrong with the tires. The distributor is taking them back, I guess warranty, and we're getting another brand of tire. It's also not 60 degrees and sunny anymore like it was yesterday. It is 29 and snowing. PA weather for you. And the tire issues keep coming and coming in this video. I think this is just because it's colder outside now. Tire pressure light popped up on the AMG all of a sudden. It was not on when I drove here, but starting the car back up, here we go. And this is what it's telling me. Please correct tire pressure, although there's nothing to correct. They all have the same PSI. I swear, tires hate me. So got some air in the tire and that took care of that problem finally. Time for lunch.
Oh yeah.
Like I said, it's a bunch of hopping back and forth here. It's a few hours later. We're back at Auto Illusions, and my truck is actually inside getting the new wheels with the new tires off and getting the new wheels mounted with even newer tires. I know it's complicated. Alright, so you guys might notice here, yes, we are back to the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I know a lot of you guys are probably scratching your head now wondering how stupid I could be, but yeah, we're back to the tires I had on the old set of wheels prior to getting new wheels and new tires. Like I explained in the last video, I mean, that was me bitching about these tires not having grip and stuff. That was just me being stupid. I'm not going to have grip either way unless I weigh the bed of the truck down. Alright, so finally the new wheels are back on with the new tires, the Nitto Ridge Grappler. So what's left now is just take the truck back out on the road and make sure we don't have any damn vibration. Alright, so we're currently driving home in the truck with the Nitto Ridge Grapplers on there, and there is zero vibration. Finally, this new wheel setup is balanced with new tires. I'm so happy about that. It was definitely something wrong with those BF Goodrich KO2s that I got. And of course you guys can't see me right now because it gets dark at 5:30 during the winter here in PA. But it's been a pretty long day, a lot of back and forth. This whole video was back and forth, so I do kind of apologize about that. But still, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is how it is sometimes. Aftermarket parts, you know, it's not smooth sailing at all times. But I'm finally happy with the result at least. Good looking wheels from Anthem, and tires that I at least know what I get from. And the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, they're quiet on the road. Yeah, they don't have all this grip and stuff, but no off-road tire for a truck really does. So I just want to be able to drive my truck and not have this balance issue all the time. And from checking out the comments from the previous video, there were a lot of people saying that they've had bad experiences with the BF Goodrich KO2s. Which I find is odd, because on our Raptor they're fantastic. I guess they just don't want to do well on bigger wheels. I don't know. I don't really know what it is, but on 20x12s it was not working for me at least. The Nitto Ridge Grapplers work just fine. They do the job. It actually looks a bit more aggressive. But since it is so damn dark outside, I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys that. The sidewall is more aggressive. The BF Goodrich were more... The tire was kind of stretched. It didn't look quite as wide and aggressive. So I'm definitely happy with where I'm at right now. So enough babbling for me in this video. We're going to end it here, and I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time and you want to, please subscribe. A lot more F-150 content coming your way. The AMG is actually dropped off at the shop now. It traded places with the truck, so tomorrow I'm picking that up with a brand new wheel and tire setup as well. Look forward to that video. I'll catch you guys very, very soon. Bye-bye.